Hey there friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to remove unused apps on your Android phone. Open the settings page. The settings menu is the control center of your phone where you can manage many important features such as display settings, security options, notifications, battery usage, storage, and other advanced system tools. It helps you customize your phone and keep everything running smoothly. Next, scroll down and see the device care option. On some Android phones, especially Samsung devices, this feature helps you monitor and optimize your phone's performance, including battery, storage, memory, and security. Tap on Device Care and then look for the storage option. Open it to see how your storage space is being used. Here you'll find details about apps, images, videos, documents, and other files stored on your phone. Next, scroll and see the Unused Apps option. Tap on it to open the list. Your phone will automatically show apps that you haven't used for a long time. These apps may still take up valuable storage space even though you rarely open them. Now, review the list and select the apps you no longer need. Tap on the app, then choose Uninstall or Disable, depending on the option available. Tap again and the unused app will be removed from your device. Removing unused apps regularly helps keep your phone faster, cleaner, and more organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and useful tech tutorials.